Hello guys, prime concept once again. Now we want to, in this video, derive the formula for magnification of a curved mirror, magnification of a concave and convex mirror. That is what we want to derive. In our previous video, we used this diagram to derive what we know as mirror formula, which was very elaborate. In this video, we're going to derive the formula for magnification. So don't be scared of this concept. Do well to stick with this. Stick with me in this video till the end, and the concept will be very clear to you. Now let's go into the business for the day. Now here is our diagram. Now we're going to use the idea of similar triangles to do this derivation. Now I'm going to compare this triangle and this triangle, right? Because they are similar. Why are they similar? This angle and this angle are equal. So as such, these two triangles are the same. Now what are the triangles I'm talking about? I'm talking about triangle B prime N F being similar to what now? B M F. So check it. B prime N F is actually similar to B M F, right? Now if that is the case, I can compare the length of their sides. So I would have that B prime N, which is this, to the ratio of BM should be equal to, compare this, B prime F to what now? MF. So I can compare these sides. Now, if you watch, so let's do it this way. If you watch, B prime N is actually same as the image distance, because this is our image. So it's same as the image distance. Now, because our image is located on the left-hand side of our Cartesian system, so it means our image distance B prime N is going to be negative V. Similarly, BM is our object distance, which is still located on the left-hand side of our Cartesian coordinate. So it's also going to be negative U, which is equal to what now? B prime F over MF, right? So that I can conclusively say that B prime F over MF should be equal to, this negative would fizzle out, should be equal to V divided by U, right? So I will call this equation 1. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to compare this triangle and this triangle, because they are also similar since this angle and this are equal. So I'm going to do that comparison. So let's do that. I would have that A prime F ratio PF, this should be the same as what now? Let me compare these sides, right? So it should be the same as B prime F to what now? MF. So this should also be the same. Now what is A prime F? A prime F, I can do something to this, right? A prime, did I do? Okay, no, sorry, because I want to get height, so I won't be doing this. So sorry for this. I'm trying to compare with height. So let's use the height, this height. So I'll have A prime, I wanted to do A prime B prime ratio what now? This height, right? Which is PM should be equal to this side, which is what now? B prime F to what now? MF. So check it. It should be equal. Now, if you check what is A prime B, A prime B is simply the height of our image. Now, since our image is pointing down, it means that the height of the image is going to be negative. I mentioned that. If it is pointing up, it means it should be positive. Now, since the height of the image is pointing down, I'm going to replace A prime B prime. Let A prime B prime be height of image. So I'm going to call it negative HI, because that is our image. Then PM, this is PM, is actually the same. PM is same thing as AB. PM is same thing as AB. This PM is same as AB, right? Which is height of your object. And because it is pointing up, it means that it's going to be positive. So this is going to be equal to height of object, which is positive. And what am I going to do? I'm going to replace these things here. So I would have, for this, I would have minus hi all over pm is what now? ho. Now this should be equal to what? b prime f divided by mf. So this is equation 2. So what am I going to do? I'm going to equate 1 and 2, seeing that b prime f over mf is this, b prime f over mf is this. So I'm going to equate 1 and 2. So if we do that, equate 1 and 2. So if I do that, I would have minus hi divided by ho equals what now? V divided by u, right? If I take this negative sign to the other side, I would have hi divided by ho equals minus v divided by u. So you would recall that height of image, the ratio of height of image to the height of object of a mirror is what we know as what? Magnification, and we denote that with small letter m. So what does it mean? It simply means that this, which is magnification m is hi over ho. This is our formula for magnification. So automatically we can now say that m again is what now? Is equal to minus v over u. So these are formula for magnification. So these are formula for magnification of a curved mirror. So the magnification of a curved mirror is given as m, which is height of image over height of object, or the magnification m is minus v over u. So take note of this. For a plane mirror, we said that the magnification is v over u. But then for a curved mirror, this is what we are using for the magnification, minus v over u. So don't mix this. I believe that this concept is very clear to you. If you have watched this video up till this point, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like my video, comment, and then share with your friends so that they can also benefit. Remember, this is Prime Concept. Thank you.